Random game. Random game. Game start.
아파트 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 kissy face sent to your phone but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real.
And tools of Ayam Bulu. Tools: 1 knife and cutting board, 2 pot or pan, 3 frying pan, 4 spoon and spatula, 5 stove, 6 bowl, 7 colander, 8 bamboo. Next ingredients: 1 chicken meat, the barberie of the chicken, 2 ground spice, onions, garlic, ginger, turmeric, 3 chili, 4 lime leaf, 5 lemongrass, 6 salt and sugar, 7 cooking oil, 8 lime, 9 pandan leaf.
First, prepare the ingredients and tools you need.
It's whatever you like. Turn this opposite into a club. I'm talking drink this, smoke free, party all night. Come back, go, what's up? Oh, oh, oh. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Then clean and cut the chicken into small pieces. Marinate the chicken with salt and lime juice for about 30 minutes to remove any odors and add a fresh flavor. Next, combine and stir the chicken with the ground spices: lemongrass, pandan leaf, turmeric, chili, lime leaf, candlenut, salt, sugar, chicken stock powder, and cooking oil in the large bowl. Mix all of them until the chicken pieces mix with the spice well. Then clean the bamboo and make sure they are large enough for the chicken. After that, put in the chicken pieces to the bamboo using a spoon carefully. Don't forget to press the chicken down.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow.
And then grill and burn under the bamboo. Make some space between the bamboo and the fire with a medium heat. Make sure to turn the bamboo regularly to avoid burning. Grill for about 3 hours until the chicken is cooked. Once it's cooked, remove the bamboo from the grill and cool it for a minute. Use a large knife to cut the bamboo open and remove the chicken. And finally, serve the ayam bulu on a plate.
Ayam bulu is not just a dish, but also holds significance in the culture and traditions of Minahasa people. This dish is often served at traditional ceremonies, celebration, or at some parties like weddings or Thanksgiving events. Its presence at these events reflects the harmony and togetherness that are important values in Minahasa culture. The bamboo used in cooking the chicken also has important meaning in Minahasa culture. The use of bamboo in cooking symbolizes the harmony between nature and humans, as well as the applications of local wisdom in utilizing natural resources.
Next, history of Ayam Bulu. According to history, the local community of Minahasa used bamboo because they did not yet have pots, pans, or the other cooking utensils. Literally, the name Ayam Bulu can be translated as chicken and bamboo. Bulu means bamboo in Indonesian Minahasa.
Fun fact of Ayam Bulu. The fun fact of Ayam Bulu is we cook it using a bamboo, and it spends for about 3 hours to grill it. So, if we're going to cook ayam bulu, we have to cut down the bamboo first. Isn't that tiring?
Hey, so now you know the game. Are you ready?
Ingredients and tools of kue cucur. Tools: 1 bowl, 2 frying pan, 3 spoon, 4 stove, 5 knife, 6 colander, 7 plate. Ingredients: 1 100 grams of rice flour, 2 100 grams of flour, 3 100 grams of palm sugar, 4 50 grams of granulate sugar, 5 1 teaspoon of salt, 6 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 7 100 ml of water, 8 cooking oil.
How to cook kue cucur. First, mix together rice flour, and a little bit salt to enhance the flavor in a bowl. Once the ingredients are mixed, next, set the batter aside for now. Next, crush the palm sugar with a knife and granulated sugar with water until it becomes liquid, and mix with the batter. And then, after the liquid palm sugar and white sugar were mixed, add the cinnamon to the flour mixture and stir it well for about 10 minutes. Stir the batter until it becomes thick with a spoon. Once the batter is well mixed, let it rest for about a night. Then, after a night passed, heat some oil and fry the batter on a pan with stove. Don't forget to pour some hot oil over the cucur as it fries. Last, fry until golden and cook evenly. Then pick the cucurs with colander and finally serve it to a plate.
The word cucur comes from the Malay language and means drop or to drop. This refers to the way the batter is dropped into hot oil from small round fritters or cakes. The name is fitting because the process of making cucur involves dropping spoonfuls of batter into the oil, where it expands and forms a soft, chewy treat. The origin of cucur starts from when the Dutch colonial period, when Indonesian food was influenced by local traditions and European cooking. It's believed that cucur was inspired by traditional Malay and Chinese sweets, as well as Dutch cooking techniques, especially frying. The name cucur comes from the Malay word for drop, referring to how the batter is dropped into hot oil to make small, round fritters. For Manado cucur, the recipe has been adjusted to suit local tastes and ingredients. It's usually made with rice flour, glutinous rice flour, sugar, water, and coconut milk, giving it a soft, chewy texture and a sweet, rich flavor. What makes cucur special is the use of local ingredients like palm sugar, gula merah, and coconut, which shows the region's abundance of these natural resources.
A fun fact about cucur is it's often associated with festivals and celebrations across Indonesia, especially in family gatherings and traditional events like weddings and religious holidays. In some areas, cucur is made in large batches and its round shape symbolizes unity and togetherness, a perfect reflection of community and
To blend turmeric, split the rhizome in 4 parts, with 2 until 3 bud ice. Dry for 3 until 4 hours every day for 4 until 6 days. Blend the buds in pot or polybag containing a mixture of loose soil, compost, and manure in a ratio of 2:1:1. Water moderately and place in a shaded area. Once the buds appear, the pot can be moved outdoors if the temperature stabilizes above 70 degrees. Turmeric is ready for harvest after 7 until 12 months, characterized by yellow leaves, drying stems, and tight skin. The care methods of turmeric includes watering, fertilizing, transplanting, weeding, pest and disease control, mulching, rhizome removal, seedling selections, and pot selection.
How to grow leeks can be done by several methods. Number 1. From seed, plant the seed 2 cm deep and 5 cm apart in fertile, sunny soil, water regularly, apply fertilizer monthly, and harvest after 2 months. Number 2. From the stem, cut the roots of leeks, plant them in a loose medium such as a mixture of soil and husk charcoal in pots or poly bags. Number 3. In water, press the leek stem in a glass or bottle filled with tap water with the roots facing down, placed in a dry place. Make sure the soil or water is fertile and moist enough for leeks to grow optimally.
The way to harvest turmeric is as follows. Determine the harvest time, prepare the tools, dig up the plants, clean the rhizomes, and store the rhizomes.
Lemongrass can be grown in several ways. Number 1. From seed. Sow seed 5 cm deep and 50 cm apart. Wait 21 days for germination. Number 2. From cuttings. Put fresh lemongrass stems in water until the roots grow. Then plant in the ground. Number 3. Buy lemongrass and plant it directly. Make sure lemongrass get 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. Grows in loose and fertile soil with a pH of 5, 6, 5, and warm and calm weather. Keep the distance between plants at least 30 cm and make sure the pot has a diameter of at least 30 cm.
A good and correct way to harvest chili peppers is harvesting time, harvesting tools, picking method, separation, and handling after harvest.
The purpose of our production is to preserve and introduce the region's traditional culinary treasures while opening up economic opportunities for the local community. By producing the signature dishes, we are not only preserving Minahasa cultural heritage, but also creating opportunities for culinary businesses that can attract tourists and introduce the flavor of Minahasa to various groups. In addition, the process of making chuchur and ayam bulu can also be a means to develop culinary skill and encourage innovation in creating new variants that still maintain the authenticity of the flavor enhancing Indonesia culinary world.
Result of our ayam bulu in terms of shape and taste is okay, but in terms of maturity, some of the ayam bulu that we make are not yet perfect. Some of them are not very good based on comments from teachers because we only cook the grilled ayam bulu for a short time. The result of our chuchur are not considered successful, but we think that if we immediately shape it, we won't be successful because the shape is not perfect and there are not relays dishes.